Alright, hi, this is John Bush at the rSmart group. I'm going to do a little demo of the scormcloud plugin running in um, Sakai CLE. So if you don't know about scormcloud, it's a plugin available from these guys here. Um, what they have is cloud offering where really the player lives in the cloud, and then an integration in the Sakai which allows you to upload into Sakai, and then there's also, in addition, a tool in Sakai which helps you manage and launch into useful features back on their server to look at reports and things like that. So to get the Scorm content in, it's a content handler in Sakai. You just click on the upload Scorm package here, pick your file, pick some settings, upload it. If you need to do any management of it, use the tool. So here I've got this golf one already loaded. I can configure this. You can set a bunch of different settings on how the player would operate. If it launches in a new window, full screen, compatibility settings, all sorts of stuff in here. This configure business is you're going to need a shared key from them to be able to run it. In addition, there's some useful reports in here. So let me show you launching. So since it's a content handler, you could launch it right from in here, or say perhaps you want to link it to an assignment. I've linked it into an assignment as an attachment. I could share it out that way. And so when you link into it, that'll take you into the player. This happens to be a golf score content. You go through the whole content at the end here. There's a little test you can take, right? So then when you get back out of that, it seems to be working. Let's skip over that. When you get back into here, then you can go into the report data, and it'll bring in all the interesting scorm business, tracing the learners, how much time they spent, their average score. In this site, I've had a bunch of different stuff loaded. You can kind of see some basic data about completion, things like that. Look at individual users and how they did. It's a neat little chart. Most of this stuff is available when you sign up for the scormcloud. You get access directly to their website, and you get a lot of the same information there. This is the scorm thing I just uploaded. I can see the people in here. I can see information about, let's see here, my account, usage reports, and you can get to the same reports. It's pretty much the same data that's available in Sakai if you want to look at launch history, and that's not coming up there. Where is it? Activity history. Here we go. So it's pretty much the same report that you're seeing in Sakai. So I think that's pretty clever. There's a few more configuration options, but you can see integrating it as a content handler gives you pretty good flexibility to tie that into any of the delivery mechanisms in Sakai, right? You can do it in assignments, put it in Leti, you can just link to it from resources, from really anything that integrates with resources, which is pretty much most tools in Sakai. So that's the end of my demo. Thanks.